How to refund Surfshark. Now chances are, as long as you do not comply with the refund policies, Surfshark will not give you a refund, but you can still talk to the customer representative or contact the support team. Now you can try to contact the support team if you have got a subscription via the in-app as well. You'll find the contact option, but you can also go to this get help section. So come to settings, go to the get help section. You can see it says contact our friendly support team 24/7. Tap on the get help now button. On the next page, it will take you over here. It says how can we help and so on. So we can simply go ahead and let's say we have issues with account, and you can see all these options. You can see canceling, recurring payment or subscription and so on. What is your refund policy? You can go here and you can see you can contact the customer support department via live chat. So you can tap on this live chat button, and on the next page you'll be able to be redirected to the official live representative, and then you'll be able to tell them to refund for the respective amount. This way you should be able to refund on Surfshark. I hope this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.